Hello everybody, as I'm sure many of you guys know, I ordered this new M3 Pro MacBook Pro that is a 60-inch model with 18 gigabytes of RAM and a 1TB SSD as an upgrade from my 60-inch MacBook Pro 2019 MacBook Pros, as I have yet to experience an Apple Silicon Mac and that's just getting too slow and overheated and has overheating issues. So without further ado, let's go ahead and let's start ripping this bad boy open. So first of all, I'm going to go ahead and pull off the tabs. Very nice. Also very nice. So now I'm going to flip this baby over. Alright, now let's go ahead and lift this big box open. Now just as a quick disclaimer, no, I'm not spoiled. I earned this from working. So first up we have the actual MacBook itself, which I'll set over to the side. Dang, this thing is heavy. And then we have our very nice MagSafe to USB-C cable that is black and braided. So let me go ahead and take this out of its packaging. Yes, very nice. And we have our Designed by Apple in California pamphlet, which just has basic stuff like MacBook Pro. And I believe, yes, there are black Apple stickers alongside a big power brick. There we go. There's our power brick. Very nice big. I believe this is a 140 watt power brick. Yes, 140 watts. And so now I'm going to go ahead and put everything else. Now let's go ahead and let's take off the plastic wrap for this machine. Very nice. I'm going to go ahead and set this back in the box. Now I'm going to go ahead and just set the computer over to the side for a minute as I close the box. It smells nice too. Pretty crazy. Now let's take a look at the actual computer and let's go ahead and boot her up for the first time. I'm going to change the focus just a little bit. Yes, it boots right up. And so now I'm going to take the protective film off of this. And there we go, we were met with the hello screen. Now, I actually have stuff to do, so I'm not going to set this up right now, but yeah, this is going to be my new computer, and hopefully this video that you're watching right now will be edited on this. And as always, thank you all for watching this video. I'm the iTunes fanboy, and as always, peace out.